Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we'll be putting one of these on one of these. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so in today's video we'll be applying a glass screen protector to our Nokia 3.4 mobile phone. This has come from KP Technologies, just got off Amazon. It was one of the cheapest on there, so I figured I'll give it a try. We've just got this new phone coming, which is the Nokia 3.4. It's got a massive screen on the front, and I'm terrified I'm going to damage it, as I generally tend to. So the first thing to do with a new phone is to always put a screen protector on it. So we're going to go ahead and install this one right away and show you how easy it can be. It's got a kind of a protective coat on there as well to prevent fingerprints, that kind of stuff. It's made from real glass also. It's got perfect adhesion, or at least that's what they're stating, and it is fine for delicate touch. 9H surface and a slim frame. So yeah, that's what it says on the box. Inside, what do we get? So we get what is usual these days. So you get two wipes, one of which is the wet, one of which is the dry. And inside we get the actual glass itself, which hopefully isn't damaged. Let's take a quick look, otherwise this will be one of the shortest videos I've ever done. So this one, as you can see, hopefully, not that you can very easily, but it's got basically no notches or cutouts on it. So this should be extremely easy to install. I think that's why they haven't put any other bits in here. Sometimes you get those kind of guide strips, that sort of thing. But yeah, we'll see. So let's go through the process. And let's get the phone ready. So what I'll do is now I'll move the camera around so you can see exactly what is going on. But essentially this is what it's all about. This is the new Nokia 3.4, which is a 3 gig phone, which is 32 gigs of RAM, 6.3 inch display, and yeah, pretty nice, and costs at the moment in the UK around about £99, which for an Android 10 device with the Nokia premium feel to it is pretty darn good. And obviously if you want to check out more about the phone, then there will be a review coming up soon, which hopefully you should be able to click on up here. So first of all, let's get our wipes, and we'll do number one first of all. So this is our wet wipe. So with this, just go over the screen gently, get rid of any marks, etc. I really like the design of this phone, it's actually so simplistic. So there is the wet section done, so now we can go ahead and use number two. This is to remove excess dirt and also clean. So this is basically like a little paper towel, so we'll just go over the surface, making sure there's no dust or lint left on there, because if there's any at all, it's going to show up underneath these tempered glass screens. And let's flip that over. I think I just got greasy fingers on it, so that's not a good start. Okay, so moment of truth. So we've got our screen protector. So there is a label on there, which is the back. So we need to peel that. And because the screen has no notches, you can put this in any way you like. So basically it's just a matter of lining it up. So I'm going to spin it around and try and get it as lined up as best I can. And I think that is about it. And it should now start sealing itself. This is where we get to see if we did a good job or not. And actually, that's not done too bad. So there's a very, very small air bubble in this corner. So we'll just push on there, get rid of that. And a little bit around the outside edges, which is quite common with these kind of designs these days. In fact, actually, the screen protector, it's kind of, you do see this a lot nowadays, so it's actually made contact pretty much in most of the area. But as you can see, there is a section all the way around the outside edge, which isn't quite touching. Which is a little bit disappointing, if I'm completely honest with you. So yeah, hopefully I'll just change the focus on the camera so you You can maybe pick that up now. There, around the outside edge, there is kind of like a gap which could potentially let dust in around the outside, but it's still going to protect the phone itself. I suppose it is with these devices, you quite often get the iPhone ones, because there's a slight curve to it, then they make the actual glass a little bit smaller so it kind of cuts in, so that the outside edge isn't done. But certainly it will protect it, and it is glass, so it will do a pretty decent job. So let's see what it actually looks like with the screen on. As you can see, this is a Android One device. It is a IPS screen on this one, so there is a little bit of colour shift as you move around. It looks okay. Looks pretty good. There's no obvious marks on it, and as you can see, there is you see the reflectivity. It's actually kind of like a matte finish to the glass, and certainly the phone still looks pretty nice. And there you can see, so the screen protector has done a pretty good job. Looks alright. There is you can notice there's a line across there. That is actually part of the actual Android design, which is the background there. So if we go back up, you see that is just a cut through there. But if you look through, yeah. Sensitivity is just there, so it's, this is a very, very light touch. Yeah, it seems to be working fine. Pretty good. Okay, so there we go. There is our screen protector firmly attached to our Nokia 3.4 mobile phone. Again, if you want to see the review on this, then you can check that out. Hopefully it'll be up here somewhere when it's done. But yeah, overall, the screen protector, this cost in the UK around about £4, so it's not a particularly expensive one. Normally screen protectors, especially the glass ones, often tend to be around about the sort of £7 to £8 mark. So for actually £4, yeah, pretty decent. Personally, I would have liked to have seen it maybe a little bit smaller, just so it fitted on a little bit better on that glass. The slight chin around there and the top section, not fully seating all the way around, again, is extremely common on these types of screen protectors, so not entirely unusual, just does detract slightly from the look of it. It will obviously allow some particles of dust if it's going in and out your pocket. They will accumulate on the sides. That is always a thing with these where they're not completely covered. But certainly the main areas of the phone which are likely to get damaged, so if you tap it with something, I'm trying to find something around, but I probably shouldn't do that in case I do damage it. But certainly it's going to do what it's intended to do. It's going to protect the phone from knocks and scratches, so if you decide that you either don't want it or you're selling it on or whatever it is, it's just going to keep it protected. And if you're one of those people that never puts any protection on your phone and you just slip it straight in your pocket, you'll know what your phone screen looks like after a little while of use. So hopefully with this on there, that is going to protect it from all those scratches. So there we go. There has been how to install the KP Technologies screen protector onto your Nokia 3.4 mobile phone. I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you guys in the very next video. Thanks for watching.